Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing absolutely well. My name is Naman and you are watching Vocabulary Practice with him. So, how's your preparation going? Are you learning that how can you speak in English? You are following my tips. I really give you every single day that can help you to improve your English speaking. And I just want to tell you, it is totally depend upon you that how can you seek the opportunity, because we have so many excuses that we don't have time, we don't have a place to learn, we don't have any companion. But let me tell you one thing, if you really want to learn English speaking, no one can stop you. Even if I am talking about mine, I am in my shop because I have so much work, but I really take time for learning English speaking, because that is the only way I can learn English speaking and I can speak English better than before, because of just practice English speaking is the most important thing. And I really want that if you really want to learn English speaking, you have to practice every single day without escape. You don't need to quit, you just need to give you 100%. And definitely I will make sure that you will learn English speaking as soon as possible if your practice and speaking skills is good and if you are consistent without taking any gap. And I really want every single person who are really want to learn English speaking, give you 100%. No one can stop you. You don't need to think about others, just give you 100%. Don't skim, be consistent. You will definitely learn English speaking. That's all in this video. Do take care of yourself. If you really want to learn English speaking, please subscribe my channel, because I always make a video that is really very useful for all of you. That's all in this video. Do take care of yourself. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.